get your dream college. Today I'm going to share with you 5 steps to study in the United States.
Flights, taking off, yikes, like a baseball, hit it.
Hello y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about 5 steps or the roadmap or the guidelines to help you come study here in the United States. Before I get to the video, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nana Amachi. I'm originally from Ghana, West Africa. Currently an international student here in the US of A, working on my bachelor's degree. And I'll be sharing with you these guidelines based on my experience and how I also applied to come here to study in the United States. And before I go ahead to the video, I want to tell you that, hey, there's no easy way out to come study in the US. I've seen a lot of people, ask me questions, if I can link them up to come study in the US, if I can help them out, find schools that they'll give them scholarships. It doesn't work that way. So if you want to see how the whole process works, the step that I took to come here, stay tuned and watch this video. Number 1, let's talk about college search. It's one of the most important steps to take if you want to come study here in America. If you don't know the college you want to go to, if you don't know the state you're going to go to, if you don't know the colleges offering your major or your degree, then you're wasting your time. You got to know their requirements, SAT requirements, you got to know their GRE or GMAT requirements, and that's all entailed in the college search. It took me about 4 months just to find a school that I wanted to go to. So let me tell you, that took me a long time, so there's no easy way out of this process. So you got to work hard, make sure you give yourself time in order to find the college you want to go to. So number 2, I want to talk about how you're going to pay for your education. There are several ways. Your parents can afford college. If you can raise $7,000 or $8,000, then I recommend you go straight to a community college. Let your parents transfer that money into the school's bank account and have a bank statement to support you, and I think you'll be fine to go. Showing that evidence will let the consulate at the embassy know that, hey, this guy actually have the money. The other way is you can sit for the GRE, the GMAT, that's for master's degree, or the SAT, which can help you out. If you get a good grade, can help you get scholarships to a lot of universities. With that said, there are a lot of things that also entailed, so reaching there, and I'll be making videos in the future to talk about those too. Number 3, I'll talk about applying for the college. Most of us fancy about those colleges that we want to go to, but we don't actually take the step to apply for it. Applying for it is the biggest step you have to make. You've done all your research, you know how much you're supposed to pay, if you can afford it. The next step is to apply for the college. Make sure you meet their deadlines. Some colleges have early enrollment, some have rolling admission. You apply for the earliest enrollment because that will help you get admission way quick. So number 4, I'll talk about, if accepted, getting your I-20. The I-20 is what the school issue out to you because you met all the requirements and they think you deserve to be admitted to the college. Being admitted to the college doesn't mean you are getting all the scholarship or you're getting scholarship or anything. It's just to show that, hey, we accepted you. And with that said, if you get your I-20, you can then go ahead to pay for your CVS fee and then use the CVS to apply for your visa. The visa is one of the most crucial part of everything because look, you did all the work, in applying, the research, like taking the SAT. If you don't take your visa process really seriously, you're gonna get refused, and I'm telling you, everything will be a waste of time. So take this number 4 step seriously, which is what? Your visa, CVS, and your I-20. I made a video about some questions they'll ask you, and I also gave some advice, on how you can get your F1 visa to come to the US. I kept that in the description down below, so you can click on it to go watch it. And the last step is to prepare and come to the USA. That is the most exciting part about it. You do all this work, you do all this research, pay all this money, you go to the bank, do this, do that. The last step is to prepare and come to the United States. I gotta tell you, that was the most fun part about everything, the struggles I went through, and after getting that visa, the excitement that came on my parents' face, them helping me out to come to the United States was one of the biggest dreams I've ever accomplished. So I want to say thank you all for watching this video. If you found it very informative, just hit the subscribe button and comment down below and give it a like. I'll be making videos like this every single week on Sunday. So stay tuned, and hey, thank you all for watching. God bless.
me ya him pop. Mama yantway. Energy gado, energy gado. Energy gado, energy gado. Energy gado, energy gado. Begin a mukun time, me a men cop, tea and pemasem, me ya him pop.